Now, there are two different formulas to determine the sum of a GP. The first one is, we say A into 1 minus R raised to power n, close the bracket, all over 1 minus R raised to power 1 minus R. This formula we use it when R is less than 1. While the second formula, the sum of GP, is A into bracket R raised to power n minus 1 all over R minus 1. This we use when your common ratio is greater than 1. So we will be taking a few questions now, and we try to solve so that we can show how we can apply either of these two formulas before we move to the last section, which is the sum of infinity. Okay, follow me. All right, okay. As I said earlier, we have two formulas in solving sum of GPs. One of the formulas, you use them when the common ratio is not up to 1, it's less than 1. The other one, which is this, you use it when the common ratio R is greater than 1. Now, from the examples on the board, we have been given find the sum of the first 4 terms. So meaning that n is what? Is 4. Okay, and we have been asked, they gave us A, what the first whose first term is 5. A is equals to first term, right? And is equals to 5. R, which is equals to common ratio, is equals to half. From here you can see that the common ratio is not up to 1, it's less than 1. So with the sum of AB will be A bracket open 1 minus R raised to power n all over 1 minus R. So it means that my first term is 5. I open my bracket, 1 minus half raised to power 4, because we are looking for the first 4 terms, the sum of the first 4 terms, all over 1 minus half. So we can move on. So this will be equals to 5, open the bracket, 1 minus 1 all over 1 times 4, 1 times 1 times 1 in 4 places is 1. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will be 16. Alright? So all over 1 minus half will give me half. So it means therefore that I have 5 here. What is the LCM here? My LCM here between 1 and 1 is 16. How many 16 can go in 1? Because this is also 1 over 1. Is 16. 16 times 1 will give me 16. Minus how many 16 can go in 16? That's 1. 1 times 1, that gives me that. Divided by this line of division, divided by half. So that gives me 5 into 15 all over 16 divided by half. I can go further by saying 15 times 5 times 15 gives me what? 5 times 15 gives me what? You can see 5 times this will give me 75 over 16 divided by half. For me to change the division sign to multiplication, I will inverse my denominator becomes my numerator becomes my denominator. So I have 75 over 16 times 2 over 1. This cancel this, it gives me 8. My final answer will be 75 over 8. Which you can further divide further. If your answer, because it's a jam class, it's most likely your answer will be in this form. Okay, if not, you can just do your long division method and you get about 9 point something thereabout. So you can either do your answer like this. Now, this is how to go about the sum of GP. kindly follow me here. This is the classwork. I'm going to read it out for those of you following me online. In a GP, the fifth term exceeds the fourth term by 24, and the fourth term exceeds the third by 20, the third term by 8. Find 1, the common ratio, 2, the first term, 3, the sum of the first few terms. Then this one will now be our homework at the comfort of our home, which I expect you to submit to us via the comment section. So the fifth term of a GP is 2 by 81. If the first term is 2, find A, the common ratio, find the sum of the first few terms of this GP. That is where we are. Okay? Meet me at the next slide where we shall treat the sum of infinity. So if you have not liked or shared, you are seeing my video for the first time. This is Bishop Prince, the Maths Guru. Follow me on all our social media handles to get the best notifications in any topic you want to understand in mathematics. Thank you.